this video, I will show you how to change appearance on Binance. So first of all, open up your Binance app. And if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn $100 also for free. And what you need to do for this is really simple. You need to deposit $50 in your first 14 days after your registration through the link. And then you will earn $100 for free. So feel free to check the link in the description if you're interested. But anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on the Binance logo at the top left from our Home tab. From here, we're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. From here, we're going to scroll down and there we can see appearance and we can change our theme, color preference, and we can change the percentage and the chart time zone to change our appearance. So let's say you want to change your theme to light. Then we're going to click on light in here. And let's say you want to change your color preferences to traditional. You can also go ahead and do this. And maybe you want to change the price, change color. You can also click on this and then just select what you want. So let's say red up and green down. And that is how you change it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.